channel. Today we are going to be talking about the FabFit Fun Summer Box. Now, I know you've probably heard about the different products in this a million and one times. I'm going to give you a review on each product, and there's also 2 bonus products that I got in this box. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, since I do know what all is in this box, there's no need for a surprise or anything for me because I like to test out my products, and I also really couldn't wait. I'm very impatient, to say the least. So every FabFit Fun box comes with a magazine, and with this inside is all of the different products that you can get, tips and tricks to use your products, and also the different products you can get, also the value of the products. So things that I got, I actually get to pick, and you had the option right here, if I can get this, and you had the option between a towel or a makeup tote. And for me, I chose the towel, and as you can see, you could get either this lovely little tropical print or this little pineapple print. I went with the pineapple. I'm obsessed with pineapple lately. It's a huge thing lately, I've noticed, in the summer, and I've loved pineapples my whole life. It's just, finally, it's becoming a trend, and I could not be more excited. So, as you can see, this is the towel. It is so incredibly soft. You could even use it as a blanket if you wanted, and it's huge. Like, I'm 5'2", and this thing towers over me. And these beach towels retail for $55, which I would never pay that much for a towel, but I mean, it's super soft and amazing quality, and probably one of the many reasons that I love this FabFit Fun subscription box, because you pay $39.99 if it's your first box, or $49.99 if it isn't your first box, and you get so much, like, that already paid for the box itself, and it's just a towel. Your next option could be either your Tarte's Pro Glow palette, or you could also get the, what is this? Tarte's Pro Glow lip liner and palette. So this is the contour palette, this is the eyeliner and the eyeshadow palette, both of which are gorgeous. And this is where I could really tell that FabFit Fun listened to the little survey that you fill out, because for me, I love eyeshadows, I love eyeliners, but I don't have very many face products, so I did answer my survey more towards, like, gravitating toward the face products, and of course, I ended up getting the Tarte's Pro Glow Face Contour Palette. As you can see, oops, let's cover the mirrors. These are the shades that you get. Ooh. It comes with a cream contour color, a powder contour color, and 4 highlight shades. It comes with 2 of like a bronzier highlight, and then 2 of a lighter highlight. And the pigmentation on these is amazing. I mean, definitely want to go on with the light hand. I went in heavy the first time I used these, and it was a big mistake. So just to give you an idea, this is Sculpt, which is their powder bronzer. You can't see, hopefully you can. And this is one of their highlights, which is so pretty. This is actually the one I have on right now, and it is Strobe. Ooh, can you see it? My lack of being able to do this. Hopefully you can see that. Love, love, love this palette so far. And my palette ended up retailing for $45. Now, the next thing that you could get is the Orlando Pita Play hair protection treatment, or the papaya enzyme peel. This is what they look like right here. And I ended up getting the enzyme peel, which is $45, and I love this. I tried it out, and I went ahead, put it on for 10 minutes like it says, put it on right before the shower, took my shower, rinsed it off after 10 minutes, and my skin felt amazing. It does go on like a lotion. There's no grittiness or anything to it. And I do have not super sensitive skin, but a slightly sensitive skin. So I was worried about, like, you know how some enzyme peels can be very like harsh on your skin. This was not harsh at all. And I did get a little bit on the top of my lip and it did feel slightly dry, so make sure you avoid that area, which I'm pretty sure you should avoid that area. But once I rinsed it off, it felt amazing on my skin. For my next product that I got, you had the options between getting a face rejuvenator, a sports loop resistance band, or a minor history postscript wallet. I ended up getting the resistance band, which retails for $15, and this actually works out perfect for me because obviously you can use it for your arms, your legs. I am actually starting the 80-day obsession tomorrow, so this will be perfect to add to my workout. Another one of the items that I actually got to pick, and just a disclaimer, if you subscribe to their box annually, I'm pretty sure you can pick almost every one of these items, if not every one of these items. I know that you could pick, if you wanted the Tarte palette or the eyeshadow palette, pretty sure you could pick the other ones. I'll double check on that. But if you don't subscribe, you can pick a few of the items. So obviously I picked the towel, and I also got to pick between this earth ring, a Hawaiian black lava body caviar scrub, or a de-stress muscle gel. And this is what the three look like. And I ended up getting the body caviar, which I picked out. It retails for $48. And I do love this. It feels amazing on the skin. You do want to actually lather it up in your hands because it is an oil on top and then the scrub actually underneath. So you get a little bit of both. Mix it together and then use it from the neck down. Do not use on your face, and make sure to definitely say that on the packaging. And it just leaves your skin super smooth. When you're in the shower itself, it does kind of have that film just because of the mixture between water and oil. They don't mix. We do know this from science class, obviously. And so once you get out of the shower, just pat dry. And my legs feel super, super soft, super amazing. It feels absolutely incredible. Now, the next item that I got, and these three items are something that everybody gets in every box. So while you can pick from the other items, these three items are a staple in every single box. The first one I want to talk about is the White Tea Moisturizer for $32. And this is what it looks like. And this is, let's see, it kind of just smells like a light flower scent, which doesn't bother me at all. It's very gentle, very light, nothing like too overpowering if you have a sensitivity to smells. It's not oily, it's not greasy. It kind of has almost like a tacky feeling, so you could honestly use this as a primer if you wanted to. It does have SPF 50 in it, which is great. You definitely need to be putting on SPF every day if you can. And for me, I have oily skin, so moisturizers, even though I know I need to use them, I do tend to go towards the lighter moisturizer side. This is a thicker moisturizer, but it does work without leaving me feeling oily or greasy or heavy or anything like that. Now, one of the other things that I got in this box that comes with every box is the marble ring dish from Pier 1, and it retails for $14.99. Dish. It is gorgeous, very classy, and for me personally, this is perfect because I obviously have my wedding ring, and this, I do take it off every night or if I get in the shower, so I have something specifically to put it on so I don't, like, not lose it, but just, you know, it's specifically in one place so I don't have to go searching for it or, oh, where did I leave it this time kind of thing. This is from Pier 1. They're a great company, so I think this is awesome that FabFitFun did include this item. Now we're going to move on to probably what is everyone's favorite, or at least the number one thing everyone was excited about for this box, and that would be the Foreo Luna. Now mine I got is black, and I love this little guy. I've been using it for 5 days now, and it just made my skin feel so incredibly amazing. Like, I am breaking out like around my face and on my lip, and I know a lot of this is because of my diet or just stressing out or just little things like that. And I go in with my Olay Daily Facial Wipe. I go ahead, obviously, go under the sink, make sure it's nice and lathered, go on my face, and then I go ahead and turn this little guy on. And then you actually can go on the app, which is what I did. You go on the app, and then you're gonna want to go ahead and hit connect. And then after you hit connect, you're gonna hold the back of this for 3 seconds, and it's gonna go ahead and connect to your device. And then once you do that, it'll obviously have you do a skin analysis, and it's going to be these little gold things on the back. It's going to say left cheek, and it's going to tell you when to not or to take it off, right cheek, forehead, and nose. And then you're going to go ahead and click the cleanse button, and it tells you in the number 1, 2, 3, and 4. I don't know if everybody's is the same, but mine personally is my right cheek, my forehead, and my nose. And you just go in circular motions, 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the nose, you're going to go up and down motions. And it does vibrate, and then in between, it'll do a slight pause vibration, very slight, which is going to tell you to move on to your next side. And then it just keeps vibrating and pausing until you're done with your cleanse. And this will also, when you do the analysis, will let you know if your skin is like the hydration level. I don't have the number of droplets. Mine is actually high in all the areas. Continue using the same skincare routine that I am using. And it gave me a skin age of 22, which I am currently 22, so it worked out perfectly for me. And I did do this on my husband, and it did say that both of his cheeks were slightly dry, so it is definitely not the same for everyone. I was like, there's no way, because like on my nose, I'd been slightly dry lately, but I was like, well, maybe it's just everybody says that. No, definitely picks up on every little thing, which is super nice, because for me, sometimes I just don't know what to do for my skin. I don't know if it's dry or if it's just oily, and this definitely was able to tell me. Now, one last thing before we move on to the surprise items in my box is Fabfitfun is actually partnering up with the Wildlife Conservation Society, and they give you this cute little straw. I don't know if you can see, but it has these little turtles on it, and it is actually made out of, let's see, what is this made out of? It's made out of, I'm guessing, like a bamboo or cardboard type material. And for me personally, this is super exciting because I love wildlife. My favorite animal is a dolphin, and I just genuinely think, one, these straws are super cool. So if we just cut down on using plastic and stuff, we're saving. I mean, look at this little face. He's so cute. How could you not want to save him? So I like the fact that they're including these little things, and also awareness, so we can eventually and hopefully start getting all of this debris and grossness out of our oceans. Now, to move on to the 2 surprise items that I got. Now, the reason I did get these surprise items is because at checkout, I used the code SURPRISE. Now, if this is your first box, which for me, this was personally my first box, I had been gifted a box in the past, but I could have opted to use a different code and get $10 off, which would have been $39.99. I did pay the full $49.99, but I used the code SURPRISE, giving me 2 extra gifts, and I'm definitely not mad about it. One of the things that I got was the KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. And this is what they look like right here. I got a total of 5. I did go ahead and use one. Now, normally, I'm not a huge lip person, because I just don't like the tingling or the harshness. These feel amazing. They're very, soothing. There's a teeny tiny slight bit of tingling, but I was watching Gossip Girl and could hardly even tell when I wasn't paying attention. It is a single jelly mask with a slit down the center, so you can obviously breathe. I mean, you could breathe out of your nose too, but you leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Use it 2 to 3 times a week, recommended, but you can use it every day. It is safe for that. Now, another item I did get is the Glam Glow Pout Mud Mask, and it's basically just like a lip treatment. It is a gloss, but it is tinted, and it's not super incredibly tinted to the point where it comes off that vibrant on your lips. It's just a very subtle brightness. I do have it on my lips right now. It leaves it super creamy. I love it. It feels amazing. that is all that came in my FabFitFun 2018 summer box, and I hope you enjoyed these videos. Go ahead and leave a comment of your favorite thing to do in summer or your favorite product from this video. Thank you so much. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and also the notification bell, and thanks so much for watching. Bye. And it said to continue using the same skincare. Continue using the same skincare. Continue using the same skincare. Oh my god. Continue using the same skincare.